I'll copy, paste it here, and do the same here. But I'll call this size. And I'll call this number. And I'll copy. Pick this point, drag it down, 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 and down. So I'll call this one the type 1 foundation. That's F1. Insert the size, which is 1000 by 1000 by 400. Type 2, F2, which is 3, that's 1300 by 1300 by 400. Same for F3. (1600) by 1600 by 400. And I'll call this total. Delete this. Change the height of this text so to be okay. I make it 2.5 is okay. How many F1 foundations are here? We have to count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's start 7 here. For F2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of them. We'll make it 6. For F3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5. And for the total, we have 18. Yes, should be correct. Yeah, 18. Then we go back to our model. Here we're going to draw the dimension for the grids. So you click on linear. You change your color. I want to use red. This should be set to layer, and this should be set to continuous. Then I'll pick on a point on the screen. This is okay. Then I'll move to annotate. Just pull down. You can modify the height of the text. Let me make it 70 and click OK and close. It was updated. Then I'll come to continue and continue. When you're done, just hit enter. Then you come back to linear. You click linear here. You repeat the same process. Now hit continue. Enter, enter, enter. You click, click, click. And when you're done, just hit enter on your keyboard. Escape. And you come to your foundation layout. You can see your dimension lines clearly on the sheet. The next thing we'll do is to make our foundation pad details. Remember your foundation details. Go to File, Export DXF. On tip grouping, you click OK. Then you copy. Ctrl C. Come to templates. Come to model. Ctrl V to paste. Then you bring it a little bit, yeah, okay, this is good. You pick on one of the dimension lines, you right click, select similar, and switch to another style. Let's use dimension 50. I think this is clear. The dimension 50 here, it's okay. Then hit escape, zoom in a bit. I'm going to remove this one, I don't need this one. Remove this, I don't need this too, you should know this already. I don't need this, don't need this. I don't need this direction, one is enough for me. Out and out. Now to take this one out and this one out. Repeat the same process here. Out. Move this line and just hide the quantity table from view. I'll move it out of view and hit escape on my keyboard. Now take this one, move it here to align with this other one. I think this is fine. Hit escape. Then we'll zoom in. Let's delete this one so we don't need them again. Delete this and delete this one here also. And you pick on this small length, right click and select similar and delete for others. Then you come here, you click this line, you drag, make sure auto mode is active, then drag type here 2000 will be okay, and you escape. You bring this value, bring it here and place it somewhere at this point. Change the rotation to 0. You copy this line, copy and bring it here. You do the same, drag it to this very point to call out to this point. Copy this value, you move it down to this point, you hit escape, then you just put a tick line here. Let's deactivate auto mode. Okay, you pick on the two texts, you give them a height of 80, or you can change the style. Let's use style 1. Style 1 is okay. Take it back to 80. Give it a red color. Probably this is cool. Then you pick on the reinforcement lines, and also for the cut through, right click, select similar, then you give it a thickness of 40 and give it another color. Then we get more colors. Let's use a very dark red color, this dark brown. Okay, this is great. Then we'll repeat the same process for the rest of them. Just watch. Then you pick on this lens, or you just right click, select similar. But you have to watch this. It's going to select this ones here also. So you hold down Shift on your keyboard and draw a window to deselect them.